Hello. I know it's dark, it's dingy. There is nothing I can do about that. I've really got to stop procrastinating, and I got to actually work on this back room, the pantry. It depends on it depends on who you are and what you call it. But I really need to get it done. But I'm gonna have to do it. Sorry guys, you'll see in a minute. But I'm gonna have to do this in sections. So I have all my pots and pans and stuff over here, but I also have some over here. I have some over there. I've got containers all over the place. I have cleaning supplies all over the place. I have beach essentials, not really essentials, but beach things kind of shoved in the corners here. I think I even have my beach yoga mat back here still. I think. Don't quote me on that one. But the first thing I really need to deal with is all the cleaning supplies, because I got some here. I've got some over there. I have some on my shelves. I need to get the cleaning products cleaned up. So that's what we're going to start with today. Today it's going to be cleaning products. Okay. Let's just do this. And I'm going to listen to an audiobook to make this just a little better. And hopefully it's a good one, because I'm going to be listening to The Woman in the Attic. If anybody has any recommendations for audiobooks for me, let me know. Drop a note down there. All right, let's do this. Okay, so this is why I hate procrastination. Gathering up everything, going through everything, it took me 22 minutes. Actually, sorry, technically it was 21 minutes and 28 seconds. And that's gathering everything up. So let's take a quick look because my battery's about to die. Alright. So I've got all the, well, the floor and air fresheners and the big thing of dish soap up at the top. This is all cloths and sponges and like little, just, well, that box there is actually for cleaning one of my chairs. And then that's carpet cleaner. And then down here we have all of the cleaners, essentially. We've got Norwex there, we've got Mr. Clean, we have CLR, we have all-purpose cleaner, we got Lysol wipes, you know, all that stuff. And then underneath is laundry. And that's everything. I've been putting this off for quite some time. I really shouldn't have. I just seen a cat was in here, so I'm going to have to shoo him out. But, okay, so we'll edit this video. I don't know how dark it's going to be. I'm hoping it's going to be alright because I'm in a very, this room I'm in is probably 5 by 5. Not a very big room. Okay, so we'll be back with the next part of cleaning the pantry.